man, you already know, man, I'm really pulling up. I don't give a fuck, cause you know I don't give a fuck, cause I'm really out here, man, I'm really with the thing. I'ma keep it on my hip and I'ma have to let it bang. Homie, real shit, man, I posted on the beat, and I'ma tell you like this, cause man, I gotta keep it G. Man, how you talking, man, they talking about me, but I don't really give a fuck, man, I'm sliding for the team. Real shit, homie, fuck about a hoe, cause man, I'm really posted up, and man, I finna hit a flow. Niggas got a problem, but the bitch in my phone, she like, what's up, what the fuck is wrong? I'ma tell you like this, cause man, I been hitting licks, been on the shit, man, I been hitting whips. I don't really get no fuck, cause I been hitting Chris. Run up in your block, and man, you know he's full dick. I'ma tell you like this, cause I stay chucking foes, tossing up the D to my homies on the block. I'ma tell you real shit, cause you know it won't stop. Haters talk shit, man, fuck all the ops. Homie, real shit, cause I been with the shits, and I don't give a fuck, cause you know I'm going in. Homie, real talk, homie, go for the blitz, and if I run up on your block and best believe he's getting hit. Still slip, homie, I don't know shit, and I'ma tell you like this, cause I'm gone off the potion. I don't give a fuck, cause your bitch off the ocean. I'ma tell you like this, cause you know I keep it rolling. I'ma tell you real talk, homie, fuck you. And if I'ma tell you like this, cause man, I'm real quick to move. If I got that 4-5, man, I'm real quick to shoot. Don't give a fuck, cause my team ain't gon' lose. Fuck taking L's, man, I'm tryna catch a dub. And I'ma tell you like this, cause you know we going up. Haters got a problem, but you know we blowing up. And I'ma tell you like this, homie, I ain't fucking up. I'm a real ass G, I'ma keep this shit P. And I don't really give a fuck, cause these hoes on the team. Niggas talking shit, but I come in and clean. I don't give a fuck, cause I'm all up in the scene. Homie, real talk, homie, fuck about the ops. I'ma tell you like this, homie, fuck about the cops. Tryna pull me over, tryna get a nigga locked. And I'ma tell you like this, cause man, a nigga getting popped. I don't play no games, and I'ma tell you like this, homie, fuck about the lames. Man, I'm really out here, man, I put on for the game, and I don't really give a fuck, and man, you know I let the 40 bang.